guys, Miss Charlie here with some more single shadows with swatches. I have my JD Glow collection. Unfortunately, JD Glow is no longer a brand available. They were one of the first indie brands that I got into along with Davina, and I bought quite a few of their shadows, and I keep them in this Morphe palette, which they don't make these anymore either. But these are my shadows, and they did come like this in these big containers. They did start making the smaller ones later on, but I did take some and shared it with my best friend and put it in the smaller containers. And there's like a couple like these two. These are the same. These are carrot, and I think these are the same too, because I took them out of the big pan, sent her a smaller one, and then I had to put them back into something, and I didn't want the bigger pans because I was running out of room in here with the big pans, so I wanted to break them down into smaller ones. And this was my first set right here, this, and this. The first set I got from JD Glow, and these are multi-chromes. They're so gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So I'm gonna swatch all of these and show you them in a mirror, which I usually do, so you can see the flip in any of these. But we've got a lot to go through, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first set that I got, I pointed out there were 5 in this set, and this is the first one. It's very, very pretty. You can see the shift there, and then you can also see it here on the side on my hand. Absolutely gorgeous. Here we have No Way. You can see the shift in this as well. Purple, fiery, orange, pink. This one is in blue, teal, green. We have one of my favorites. This is Seaweed. It's teal, vibrant green, blue, purple, fuchsia, a little bit of a burnt red. Next we have Gleam. It's a pretty champagne metallic, so pretty. This is Sin, which is just a beautiful pink, satiny, metallic. Ava, which is a hot pink fuchsia. And we have Ruby, which is like a red, orange red. It's absolutely gorgeous. This one is Good God. God spelled G-A-W-D. It's so stunning in person. It's so gorgeous. We have this beautiful blue, which is called Sapphire. This blue teal is called Rendezvous. This muted teal is called Watermark. Peachy pink with gold, this is called Macaroon. This limey green, which is Chartreuse. This is a beautiful pink, gold, peach, more of a metallic. This is Supernova. So pretty. This one is Venom, one of my favorite. Orange, this is Carrot. Lovely rosy gold metallic. This is Rose Goals. beautiful fuchsia, bright fuchsia. This is Beets. Beautiful teal, purple, lavender. This is Insane. Next we have this blue green and prismatic. This fiery orange red volcano. This multi-chrome, which is called Magic. It's so pretty. This taupey color with a little bit of blue in it. I can see blue. It's called Unexpected Secrets. This is Lemonade. This is Green Apple. And lastly, we have Serious. Okay, so those were all my JD Glow single shadows that I have in this Morphe palette. Sorry that they're no longer a brand, but I am so glad that I have these because they are absolutely gorgeous and stunning, and I need to pull them out more to use them. If you have JD Glow in your collection, let me know, and let me know what colors you have, and how do you feel about them closing their doors. But I thank you all for being here. Thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate you all very much. Thanks for hanging in there with me through my single eyeshadow collection. There's way more to come, so buckle up. Make sure to follow me here on YouTube and on Instagram, and we'll see you in the next video.